for today's video, I will be showing you what I packed in my makeup bag when I went to Taiwan. And I also showed you this makeup look. This is the makeup look I wore almost every day in Taiwan. So if you want to see what's inside and how I did this look, just keep on watching. This is my makeup bag. It is from Benefit and it's like holographic. Ayan, makikita niyo yung mga items inside. So this is what I brought. And isang makeup bag lang siya for my 5 days in Taiwan. Ayan. So, I'm gonna first start with the first thing I use every day there in Taiwan. It is my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. And nagdala din ako, of course, ng clips ko. So, suotin natin to. Ayan. I think I brought 2 of these. There we go. Actually, hindi ko nga ito nagamit eh. Kasi nagmamadali kami. Ready to go to wherever we're going. So, ito yung first step ko. Ayan. I just put concealer here. After that, I use this sponge. Ito yung kay Anakay and sobrang dumi niya. And hindi ko to nababasa kasi walang CR dun sa room namin. So, I have to go out pa pero hindi ko na yung ginagawa. So, ito na lang ginagamit ko. Like, dry sponge. And it works well. Yung mirror ko actually is this one, yung kay Vice Cosmetics. Kasi wala na ako ibang mirror. Ayan. Next thing I use is yung Vice Cosmetics na powder. Ito yung shade na Chesa. So, minsan ito yung ginagamit ko yung sponge. Pero napansin ko, medyo cakey siya para sa akin. Ayoko kasi yung ganung ayoko yung ganun, yung cakey. Pero, yun nga, ito ginagamit ko. Or, may dala rin akong brush. Ito. I bring this brush. Tapos, sinuswipe ko lang. Tapos, share lang kami ng sister ko dito sa powder na to. I don't know kung nagustuhan niya. Next thing I use is blush. I brought the Colourpop I forgot kung ano tawag dito. Itong kulay na to. Ito yung ginagamit kong brush, yung H&M. May mirror din siya, so maganda. And then, yung isang blush ko is this one. This is the Chesa Cosmetics Clay Blush. So, yung ginagawa ko, before ako mag-powder, ito yung lalagay ko. Ayan, yung red na to. This is in 4 Seasons. Maganda rin to. Kapag ginagamit ko to, cream highlighter din gamit ko yung Careline Strobe Stick. Sobrang ganda din ito. But then, since nag-powder blush tayo, ito yung gagamitan ko. Ito yung Vice Cosmetics Aura Glow in the shade Shimmering. So, dinala ko din yung Colourpop ko na brush. Ito yung favorite highlight brush ko. Nagdala din ako ng contour. Pero hindi ako nag-contour. I actually put this as my eyeshadow. Isang beses ko nga lang to, isang day ko lang siya ginamit. So, nagdala akong eyeshadow brush. Ito yung eyeshadow brush na dala ko. Tapos nilagay ko lang siya dito. As in, konti lang. Dinala ko yung Precisely my brow pencil from Benefit. Sobrang in love na talaga ako dito. Ito talaga yung favorite eyebrow pencil ko. Ito yung good eyebrow ko eh. As you can see. Like, kahit hindi ko ayusin, maganda siya. Ito naman, parang tinatry ko talaga i-mimic yung dito. Yung side na to, yung eyebrow na to, kailangan ko pakapalin, kagaya dito, para pantay. Pero ang hirap. Gusto ko to kasi may kasama na siyang spoolie. Kaya ito yung dinala kong eyebrow. Dapat yung Brow Contour Pro yung dadalhin ko. Pero, gusto ko to dahil may built-in spoolie na siya. Ang ganda oh. Tapos ito, kailangan pagandahin pero hindi kaya. I might do a brow routine as in from the beginning, like where I wax my brows or where I thread it. I'm gonna show you those places. Tapos like yung favorite brow products ko since a lot of you are curious. And recently lang talaga na nahihiligan ko na yung mag-ayos ng brows. Next thing I put is the 3D brow tones. This is in the shade number 4. And yung brow pencil ko pala is in the shade 4.5. Maganda din yung gimme brow nila. Pero kasi, mas gusto ko to yung 3D brow tones para mas light. Pero kung gusto nyo mas makapal pa, yung gimme brow yung maganda. I also have yung ginagamit ko. Actually, hindi ko nagamit to. Yung skincare. So, I have a UV Shield Cream. Yung sunscreen ko dapat pero hindi ko nagamit. I forgot I had this. And then, the Caffeine Eye Serum. So, hindi ko din to nagamit. Face wash ko is, tinapon ko na. Kasi, like, sachet siya ng gold cleanser ng Face Republic. For me, I don't really like the scent. Pero maganda siya sa face if you like it and you don't mind the scent. It's really nice. So, maybe amuyin nyo muna. Pero for me, hindi ako fan ng scent nun. So, bumili ako ng cleanser. So, check nyo na lang yung Taiwan haul. And then, for moisturizer, yung Eye White. Ginamit ko yun sa sister ko. Nag-share na lang kami. And then, for toner, ginamit ko yung Hello Gorgeous na face mist. Ito yung toner na ginamit ko. As in, tingnan nyo. Wala na siyang laman. Nag-share kami ng sister ko dito. As in, spray lang namin every night to para okay yung skin namin. One night, we also used the Crystal White. Sabi ko sa sister ko, wag niya gamitin everyday yun kasi masyadong harsh sa face. So, one night, yung first night namin, kasi parang nag-breakout kami after the airplane ride. Ginamit namin yung Crystal White. So, one day lang yun kasi sabi nga namin, harsh masyado sa face. And then, every night after Taiwan, this is what we use. Tapos, ayan, wala masyadong breakout sa skin namin. So, ayan, this is really nice. And paubos na, bibili ako ng bago nun for sure. I use the Benefit Beryl mascara. Sobrang nice na to. And one time, hiniram ko din yung mascara ng sister ko. Yung Maybelline na mint green. I don't know, yung Total Temptation ba yun? Yung waterproof. Hindi ko na yung ginamit for the other days. Ito na yung ginamit ko kasi, yun nga, mahirap magtanggal ng mascara. So, ito na ang ginamit ko. Yung difference. Yun yung eyelashes ko ngayon. Ang ganda, diba? Okay, next things are all for the lips. I have 4 here. So, every night sa Taiwan, we use the Carmex. I also bought 2 lip balms sa Taiwan, which you'll see in my haul. Pero, this is what we use. Yung Carmex, this is really nice. Ito yung favorite lip balm ko. Ayun o, as in, paubos na siya. Ito yung lipsticks na ginamit ko. So, ito yung ginamit ko for the first days. Or ito yung parati ko nilalagay sa bag ko. Yung Vice Cosmetics in Hayabayabayu. Super stay ng Maybelline. Ito talaga, the whole day nagstay. Tapos nung natulog ako, nandun pa din sa lips ko. Hindi ko matanggal. So, I used this for one day only. Kasi nga, nahirapan ako tanggalin. Kaya, hindi ko na siya ginamit the next day. This is in the shade Versatile. Sobrang ganda na to if you want something long-lasting. Pero wala kasi akong oil-based makeup remover. That's why ayoko to gamitin nung nag-stay kami sa Taiwan. So, yung ginamit ko na lang, yung most times na ginamit ko is this one from Colourpop. This is the Colourpop Ultra Blotted Lip. Ito yung favorite liquid lipstick ko. So, ito yung gagamitin natin today. And this is in the shade Slide. I really made sure to bring things I really needed, and I made use of almost everything in this makeup bag. So, meron pa akong isang bag for my skincare and toiletries like shampoo, conditioner, body wash. Hindi ko na yan sinali for this video kasi konti lang naman yun, like deodorant, yun. Pero ito yung like skincare or like face care and makeup ko talaga when I went to travel. That is it for this video. That is all in my makeup bag. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, comment below what else you want to see, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Thanks for watching!